Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm show you Windows 11 new web search box on desktop. Here you can see the search box. Its design is really cool. And it has rounded corners and beautiful search icon. The search icon has really nice animation. You can search anything on this search box. And search results opening in Microsoft Edge. To disable the search box, right-click on desktop and go to Show More option. When untick the Show Search, the search box is gone. Thanks for watching. See you later.